The Prairie Fire Organizing Committee is an activist group whose members advocate the overthrow of the current capitalist system as the only solution to racism, sexism, homophobia, classism, and imperialism. In 1974, the book Prairie Fire: The Politics of Revolutionary Anti-Imperialism was created as an ideological statement by various members of the underground group Weatherman Underground. The publication was created in 6 parts: Arm the Spirit, Vietnam, On the Road, Impressions of U.S. History, Imperialism and Crisis, The Third World, Imperialism and Crisis, The Home Front, and Against the Common Enemy. The book's preparation was a 12-month process, written collaboratively and adopted as the collective statement of the Weather Underground. Mark Rudd stated that the book was an attempt to influence the movement that we had abandoned back in 1969. It tried to reach many thousands of new leftists and former new leftists by saying, "Don't despair, we're all part of the same thing." Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.